know, coming into the Fed chairman's testimony, there's going to be a lot of drama, particularly coming into an election cycle, Neil. And I think in this case, Fed Chairman Powell handled himself pretty well. He was actually relatively zen-like in the face of those questions. He was no drama Powell because he stood the course. There's been so much drama around interest rates at the end of last year, concerns about a bond bubble leading to a recession, and then we get 9 straight weeks of rally. So I think to come in here and have a sense of calm from the Fed chairman is exactly what the markets want. And no reaction from the market. Maybe that's a good thing after this massive market rally we've seen. The market needs to take it in a little bit. We've seen this about face in interest rates. We've seen this turnabout in terms of the Fed's outlook. And I think they're going to take shots at him left and right because everybody wants political victories here. But you're right. They don't touch the third rail. Nobody wants to talk about the debt. Look, here's the issue. He opens the door to one of the most important issues about financial stability, and they walk away. These are people running for office, and they walk away because it doesn't fit their political agenda on both parties, by the way.
Absolutely.
Because they're both guilty here. I think it really is a critical point here, and it's fascinating because, again, at the end of last year, we were talking about instability in the financial institutions. That was a concern in December at Christmas, that Mnuchin massacre. Everybody said, we're going to have instability across banks. And it turns out that really wasn't the case. This sort of flat yield curve really didn't have the impact and the adverse consequence that people expected. So I think the Fed chair is right to maintain stability here. And it's also interesting, worth noting, that Warren Buffett's comments over the last few days, he's buying these big banks. He's buying Bank of America, U.S. Bancorp, adding to these positions in PNC. So I think he feels a lot of confidence in the financial system. And that's really what's critical to stability in the economy as a whole. And the Fed has done nothing to derail that.